This is the story of Citarum, the largest and longest river in West Java, stretching 297 kilometers with a watershed that flows across 14 administrative regions, from Bandung to Karawang. It plays a vital role as a source of energy, irrigation, and raw water supply. Since 1930, flooding has been a constant hazard in the Citarum River Basin. A significant increase in Bandung's population was the deciding factor. Land surface subsidence due to excessive groundwater extraction, coupled with the large amount of garbage dumped in the river, has caused sedimentation to accumulate in the Citarum River Basin. As a result, the river width narrows and the capacity decreases, so that when rainfall increases, the river cannot store excess discharge. In 2010, the area affected by flooding in West Java reached 8,000 hectares and continues to increase every year, causing material and non-material losses that are huge.
Sebagai upaya menghadapi banjir dan mengurangi kerugian yang ditimbulkan, Kementerian Pekerjaan Umum melalui Balai Besar Wilayah Sungai Citarum bekerjasama dengan Korea International Cooperation Agency atau lebih dikenal dengan KOICA membuat program Flood Forecasting and Warning System atau lebih dikenal dengan FFWS.
Flood forecasting and warning system is a prediction and early warning system of potential floods that is created to enable authorized government elements and communities to carry out emergency response and evacuation plans earlier. FFWS aims to provide early warning of potential flooding so that people can carry out emergency response plans. It also allows people in the affected areas to reduce the value of losses due to this flood disaster.
With the flood forecasting and warning system, when it rains and the water level in the river rises, each station will detect the amount of rainfall and the increase in water level and discharge, then send observation data to the command center. The forecaster then predicts the potential for flooding, informs the local manager, and sends a danger alarm through the warning post. Local managers then carry out flood defense activities, while surrounding communities who hear the danger alarm carry out the evacuation process. The FFWS project is divided into two phases. In 2015 to 2017 in the upstream area, and continued in 2021 to June 2025, spread across the entire Citarum River Basin area. In addition to covering a larger area and a larger number of equipment, the second phase of development also improves on what has been done and evaluated in the first phase of development. In the FFWS project execution process, KOICA and River Basin Organization for Citarum cooperated with Korea Institute of Civil Engineering and Building Technology, or KICT, Dongbu Engineering, and All for Land as Project Management Consulting, PMC, Yushin and Tokonet as Project Contractor, PC, and DST International, Jinsung ENG, and InnoQuest as equipment suppliers. The project includes 1. Construction of rainfall and water level station, flood warning post, and flood monitoring equipment. 2. Installation of large LED display. 3. Construction of command center and IT center. And 4. Training on equipment operation and management. As of June 2025, all the supporting equipment for the FFWS system has been built and spread across 64 points from upstream to downstream of the Citarum River Basin. These posts are equipped with solar panels to supply electricity and connect each post to a data server. Data from each station is managed in real time at the data center, which can be accessed at the command center and website. In addition to the IT Center, the Command Center built at the River Basin Organization for Citarum office also has a conference room and office room to support the operation of the system. The FFWS is run with Community-Based Disaster Risk Management (CBDRM) in mind. So intense communication with all stakeholders is well established. This is realized through regular workshops to explain the progress of the work at each stage. KOICA and River Basin Organization for Citarum also conducted community-based disaster risk management and flood evacuation training in the Citarum River Basin. The training was conducted in 3 locations: Majalaya, Bekasi, and Karawang.
We would like to appreciate the use of this system. The data that we can access in real time can be used to prepare for disaster management earlier, especially for landslide and flood, since West Java has the highest incidence of floods and landslides in Indonesia.
Kami antusias untuk bergabung dan berkontribusi menanggulangi bencana banjir bersama KOICA dan BPWS Citarum.
Kami tentunya berharap dengan sistem ini penanganan banjir akan efektif, peringatan dini dapat membantu proses evakuasi warga.
The FFWS project and the Citarum River Basin project will not stop here. KOICA, River Basin Organization for Citarum, and all parties involved will continue to collaborate and strive to improve the accuracy, reliability, and timeliness of flood forecasting and warning for more resilient and sustainable Citarum River Basin, from upstream to downstream.